Here's a 2015 Buick Enclave. Ample seating and storage, inviting interior space, and thoughtful technologies make this Enclave the inevitable choice for an SUV. It boasts an impressive list of features, like these: automatic transmission, front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, external memory control, rear parking sensors, dual zone climate control, power heated mirrors, voice activation, aluminum wheels, auto dimming mirrors, and V6 engine. In a Buick, you get innovative technology and sophisticated design for the real world. See what it can do when you take it for a test drive.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.